How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can turn off your RGB lights for the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 32GB for AMD. Now, basically, the first thing that you want to do is to get the iCUE software. This is a Crosshair interface software where you can monitor and control different Corsair products, including the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5. After downloading it, just head over to the application and the RGB lights or the Corsair models or product will automatically be detected on your computer. So just click on the Corsair Vengeance and then click on lighting effects or hardware lighting and just look for the off button, and that's how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.